Lean methodologies are lean since they empower a business to accomplish more with less. A lean association utilizes less human effort, less equipment, less office space, less time, and less capital, while continually coming nearer to meeting clients' accurate necessities. Hey folks, welcome back to Learn Transformation. And if you're not subscribed yet, you're missing out. Lean management refers to a technique developed with aim of minimizing the process waste and maximizing the value of product to the customer without compromising the quality. It is a term which was coined by Toyota Production System and it's part of lean thinking. Here are 5 lean management principles. The first one is identify value. The value must be ascertained from point of view of ultimate customer by product to family. This is what determines what the customer will pay. Establishing value permits the associations to make a top-down target cost. The organization focuses on eliminating waste so that it can deliver the value the customer expects at the highest level of profitability. Second is map the value stream. Ascertain all the steps involved in value stream for each product family and then eliminate those steps that are not productive. Steps, materials, features and movements that don't add any value that are eliminated. Third one is create the flow. Ensure that steps which create value take place in a perfect sequence so that product reach the customer smoothly. The fourth one is establish pull. Once the flow is initiated, customers pull value from the next level activity. The pull approach dictates that nothing is made until the customer orders it. And the last one is seek perfection. It's achieved when value is specified, value streams are ascertained, non-productive steps are eliminated, and flow and pull are instigated. Lean practitioners endeavor to achieve nothing short of perfection. Let's see what is lean transformation. Lean transformation is a term used to describe the strategic, tactical, and operational improvements which organizations undergo in order to create more value for their customers. These improvements represent a fundamental collective shift in business mentalities away from a traditional business practices toward a more value-driven, streamlined approach. The call for lean transformation comes from the top and involves a strategic, coordinated effort to embrace lean practices, principles, and business structures. But why lean transformation is important? In the fast-paced world, the ability to deliver value efficiently and predictably is more important than ever. And the efficient, predictable delivery of value is what lean is all about. Now, here are the 5 core components of lean transformation and the key steps an organization should take to enact sustainable change. The first one is it's a value-driven process, continuous process improvement, sustainable capability development, lean management system, lean thinking, mindset, and assumptions. These are the 5 core components of lean transformation. Why lean transformation fails? You might be surprised to hear that 70% of transformations fail. But why is this the case with lean transformation? Most often it's because the transformation simply doesn't go deep enough. Organizations implement surface level changes, perhaps adopt some lean lingo and call their transformation complete. So this is the reason behind failure of lean transformation. How can you start a lean transformation? The first step to starting a lean transformation is identifying the goals of transformation. Ask questions like, what are the needs driving us to pursue lean transformation? What are the underlying problems that we hope to address through transformation? And what are our initial and eventual goals for transformation? Clarity and buy-in around these fundamental questions will be key to success with your lean transformation. Thanks for watching right till the end. Please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it. You can also visit our website and catch us on other social media handles. Take care, have a good one.